It is currently Friday, the 17th of October, 12:45. I'm about to leave the house. The weekend is starting for me because I don't have any classes today, so that's always fun. Don't get me wrong, I love my learning too. I feel like I've just been on go, go, go mode for a hot minute now. There's so much happening all the time, so I kind of want to do a little fall reset, appreciate the times that are changing outside, appreciate all fall things, get into a reset because like I feel like my brain and my mind needs it and my apartment needs it. But also since there's so much happening all the time, like I want to film that too. So this is just gonna be a mix of all of that. And we're actually starting off by going to a little exhibition because there's just so many going on all the time. And I'm going to the Rick Owens one with a few of my friends. They're actually both in my class, which is fun. So for that, I was like, I have to wear all black because Rick Owens. So I'm just literally wearing this. And I just wanted to be comfortable. So we're just wearing this. I'm going to pop on a pair of Converse, call it a day. Just got back home. It is 5 to 4, so we've been out for a little bit, but on my way back I went and got a package that I had missed, or like it was supposed to be delivered yesterday. I don't know, I wasn't there, but I thought we could open it together because it's a PR package. And I don't know, I like opening packages together with you guys, and I like watching other people opening packages and videos, so I thought I would do the same. But the Rick Owens exhibition was very beautiful things. It was interesting to also know the backstory a little bit because I actually don't know that much about Rick Owens. I know who he is. I know I've seen the brand. I saw actually during Paris Fashion Week, I watched their show like online, but I don't really know much more than that. So that was pretty fun. And then there was like one room which was a bit disturbing, but I feel like it's very authentic to him, and he is a little bit weird and peculiar, but that's kind of what makes his brand stand out. By the way, this is from Haru Haru Wonder. They sent this to me, and I think there should be 2 products in here if I can get them out. I have no idea how you open this package. I'm so confused. Oh, it's taped. Oh, a million years later. Cute. We got a little card. Interesting. Something else. Don't know what this is. I think it's about their products. Oh my gosh, you have like the whole entire line. Cute. But the interesting part is the actual product, right? Okay, yes. So we have their Black Bamboo Daily Soothing Sun Shield. It's SPF 50 plus, so that's definitely very good. And it's unscented, which I prefer. And then we have their Wonder Black Rice Moisturize Air Daily Sunscreen as well. Non-greasy velvet finish. I think I'm really going to like these. This is what the actual thing looks like. And then this one's a lot smaller, which is perfect for when you're traveling. It just looks like this. I think it's a stick. Wait. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's a stick. Wait, that's really satisfying. I'm really excited to try that. cute. And they're all vegan. They're both vegan and PETA approved and everything. So that's very cute. Thank you, thank you. I am now starving, so I'm gonna eat something quickly. And then let's see what we get into. It is currently Saturday morning. I'm wearing my comfy, cute, matching velvet set, and it is 9:30. I've been laying in bed scrolling for an hour. Maybe not the best way to start the morning, but at the same time, I'm like, it is the weekend as well. My to-do list is just getting longer and longer. I feel like I'm so busy all the time that I'm just not really getting stuff done. And I mean, this is the not so important stuff, but still at the end of the day, it like becomes more important the more you push on it, push it away. My apartment really just needs some tidying up, some resetting. I feel like lately I've been really good at tidying up after myself and overall just having a tidy space, but these past few days I've kind of just dumped stuff everywhere. So we're gonna get into some quick little apartment refresh, some restocks too. My apartment needs this. It's an eyesore every time I walk past some of these things. So let's just put some music on and get into it. You guys, one evening I came home and I went into my bathroom and I just saw glass everywhere, and it's because my frame decided to fall off the wall. So I've just had this bag where I picked up all the glass and I've just had it sitting here for the longest time ever, not really knowing what to do with it. Today is the day we take care of that. Back on the theme of frames, I've had these frames up now for I think almost 2 months, a month and a half, something like that. I kind of noticed there's one I don't love as much, and also what I noticed is my other frame that I have up here in the kitchen, I literally forget about it all the time, but I think this is my favorite out of the 3. So I just want to quickly switch out this one and put that one in the kitchen since I'm not actually noticing it that much, and then put the one that's in the kitchen there because I think it just looks prettier and cuter. And the fact that I'm fully forgetting about it is like not okay because I really like that frame. like it's also very calm and fall vibes, which is perfect for this video. Nothing can beat a cozy mood. I wanted to show you what I've been eating every single morning because I think it's very fall vibes, but also it's super easy to do, fast, aesthetic, which I mean that it gives you extra points, you know? The best thing about this is, for example, last week when I did it in a big batch so that I could just box it up and have it as my breakfast every single day of the week. So basically I was meal prepping it, which is something I'm trying to get more into as I have classes. I'm like so busy all the time, so I don't have the time to necessarily cook. But this breakfast, you just start off the day on the right note, you know what I mean? I've been doing this with oatmeals quite a lot, but today we're gonna do with just some Greek yogurt because I need to go grocery shopping. Okay, I don't have that much stuff right now. And the only thing you really need to prepare is the cinnamon apples. All you need to do is cut up some apples in some small squares, add them to a pan with butter and cinnamon, let that sit for a little while till it gets soft. That's how you get the sweetest, yummiest topping for your breakfast. I have a little fig. I hope it's still all right to eat. And I'm just gonna add that on top. I think it's gonna look absolutely beautiful. Look how cute. I'm gonna add that right on top. And there we have it, our beautiful little breakfast bowl. Sometimes I'll put peanut butter on top as well, but now since I have protein powder, let's not overdo it. But I'm gonna eat this, enjoy this, and then we'll see each other when I'm dressed, ready to leave the house and everything. We are officially heading out. It is currently 12:04. I need to hurry up, which is why I'm rushing, but I'm wearing a very cute little denim on denim boots moment. I haven't even said where we're going. I'm gonna go meet up with a friend that I used to go to uni with in Sweden, and we're gonna go to a little exhibition, the Alaïa foundation store thing, and I need to go like immediately. I felt like before ending this day and this video, I felt like I had to do one last good deed, a little bit of laundry. But I must say it feels really, really good to have a clean apartment now. My new frames here in the background. I think that's like maybe my favorite part. So nice. And of course, so nice to hang out with Olivia. Just the other day, I was walking with some friends that I just met now in my new school. And as I was walking, I saw someone and I was like, wait, I recognize that person. And it was Livia. And I was like, oh my gosh, hi. And in that moment, I really felt like, whoa, I live in Paris. Like that made me realize a little bit more that I live in Paris and I know other people that live in Paris, not just people I study with, but I have other people too. Because I've had a little bit of a struggle feeling like I don't live here. It just kind of feels a little temporary for some reason, which is so weird because like, girl, I want to stay here as long as possible. But I think that plus just now, I think I feel like I live in Paris a little more on the weekends for some reason when I'm actually more out and exploring, and when you have less of the routine of just waking up, going to school, going home. But sometimes, yeah, I just struggle with the fact that like I actually live here, you know? I don't know if I'm making any sense. It doesn't matter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite fall activity is. If your room is messy right now, this is your sign to clean it up, because trust me, it will feel so much better afterwards. I always go by the motivation, do it for your future self, even if that future self is you in 10 minutes or you in a year. Do it for your future self. But with that said, I'm gonna leave you here and I will see you in my next video. Bye!